Question number 11. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. Okay. Now here Baichung, here is one name Baichung. Here is Baichung's father. This one is Baichung's grandfather. Okay. Now according to the question, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than his grandfather. 26 years younger than his grandfather. That means his grandfather is 26 years elder than his father. 26 years elder than his father. So here his father is, what we should take here? X. Okay. Baichung's grandfather is X plus 26. Okay. Then, and 29 years older than Baichung. Okay. 29 years older than Baichung. Who is 29 years older than Baichung? His father. Okay. 29 years older. Older means elder. Older is nothing but elder. 29 years older than Baichung. That means Baichung is 29 years younger than his father. Baichung is 29 years younger. 29 years younger than his father. So here we should take X minus 29. Then what we should do here? The sum of the ages of all the three is 125. So here Baichung age is X minus 29. Then his father age is X. Then grandfather age is X plus 26 is equal to 135. Then here X, 3X, X, 3X. Then minus 26, 29 plus 26. So here minus 3. Then this is equal to 135. So minus 3 should take to RHS side, it become plus 3. 3x is equal to 135 plus 3. 3x is equal to 135 plus 3, 138. Okay. Then x is equal to 138 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 4s are 12. 1 remainder, 3 6s are 18. Okay, so x is equal to 46. X, what is here? Father is. So father age is x, that is equal to 46 years. Then Baichung is x minus 29. Then x value 46 minus 29. So this you subtract 46 minus 29. So 6 is here. Borrow 1 from this side. It becomes 16. Here 3. Now 16 minus 9. That is 7. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is equal to 17 years. Then Baichung's grandfather. Baichung's grandfather is x plus 26. So this is equal to, what is the x here? X we got 46 plus 26. So this is equal to 6 plus 6, 12. 2 here carry 1. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 72 years. Okay. Then Baichung's age is 17 years. Baichung's father age is 46 years. And Baichung's grandfather age is 72 years.